today is Chrysler. 2005 Chrysler 300C. As y'all see, no space for the headers. Already got the headers on. This side, actually the whole thing is pretty much easy. You just gotta drop the mounts on both sides. For the people that says you have to take off the heads, you don't have to take off the head. Example, for all the people that's gonna say you don't know what you're talking about, I built this from the ground up. So, till then, don't say nothing. Because this car, any day, will walk almost any 400, 500 horsepower Chrysler, even the SRT Chryslers. But, that's not this. It's gonna be on this. As I get down here, you get those bolts for the motor mount. Already got the mount, wherever it's at, off. But let's see if you can see a bolt. Oh, is it a bolt? Yeah. Let me try and zoom in. I know it's upside down. That bolt and that bolt is gonna be the hardest one. You can get all the other bolts without taking off the mount. You gotta drop the cat. Crap. Why I did, because those bolts. Come on, zoom in. Right over there, that one snapped. So I just ended up dropping the whole exhaust pipe. Was a little harder for me because I do have an H pipe down there, so it's a little bit more of a fight. But drop your cats, take off your mounts, have something holding up your engine, and yeah, it's pretty much easy. I got these shorty headers off of eBay for about 200 bucks. If you do get the same ones, because I know there's a lot of us cheap people out there, or budget people, is go to AutoZone. There, I believe is M8 by 150, no, 125, something like that. The bolts, you're gonna need all new bolts because the original studs does not fit, or not studs, the original bolts do not fit. The reason why I'm so cheap. Crap, can't see now. Cracks. That side, right there. Crack right there. But wait, there's a hole in that crack. So I end up just going those bolts. Got a pack of these. Well, these were studs. You can't see because kind of dirty. And then some bolts. Crap, you can't see. It's not zooming. See? Some bolts, crusty feet. You will need, I believe it was, like I said, M8 by 1.25 or 1.50 by 25 for the length. 20, you can get away with 20 or 25, doesn't matter. But 30 is too long. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Quick, easy, simple. You don't have to take off the heads, like I said, for the people that's saying take off the heads, unless you're gonna do the 6.1, the 6.1 eagle, or no, the eagle head, my bad, not 6.1, or the 6.1s, doesn't matter. But yeah, again, don't have to take off the heads to do the headers on these cars. Maybe the long tubes, I've seen people do it with the long tubes. Also, disconnect your battery on, yeah, just disconnect the battery. I disconnected the starter bolts for I didn't take the starter completely off, just the contact ones. I just disconnected those. That's it. It's pretty easy, self-explanatory.